Hi friends, and welcome to another Vlogmas. Today we're going to do unboxing of metallic handbag. So if you remember a few videos ago, I asked you to choose between Marc Jacobs and Michael Kors metallic silver bags because I needed it for a specific outfit, and I actually had the Marc Jacobs, which kind of like combined between Instagram and YouTube got the most votes. I had it in my basket, but just before I clicked pay, I got an alert from another site that Versace bag is actually on sale, because that was actually my first choice, but because the price was just, I wasn't willing to pay that much, I kind of put it aside saying, okay, I'm gonna find something else. So I guess it was meant to be that I got my first wish. Versace is not on sale often, and what is on sale is usually either seasonal items or items that were really popular for like one summer and then nobody wants them anymore. So it's very difficult to find something within Versace group that is actually on sale and that you really like, because all of the classics, especially all the black and gold combinations, are never on sale. So I'm more than happy that I actually managed to get this. The first impression when I opened the delivery box was a bit of a disappointment, I should say, because this is not how I expect a Versace bag to arrive. I got it from Farfetch, but it was actually the boutique that sold it to me was actually Versace, so it's not, you know, they have no excuse to not have a nicer box. So this is really disappointing. But, you know, as long as the bag is what I expect it to be, I'll let it slide for the box. Let's see. There's nothing else in there. Well, the packaging is 1 out of 10. The dust bag feels quite nice. I love the butterflies and the ladybugs. It's quite cute. Okay, you ready? Here it comes. Yes, it's exactly what I expected. Let me get her rid of all these papers. Okay, so inside it's like it works like a clutch, so it's one big opening and then one smaller pocket at the back that has Versace authenticity card, I guess, or something like that. It's a pocket that you can use for cards and things, but not a lot of other items. So you can wear this either crossbody, either on the shoulder or as a clutch. The chain is also removable. You can just click this and take the chain off and just use it as a normal clutch. I'm really happy with this bag. It's just, it screams perfection. And the reason why I wanted it was because of, as opposed to other two who, despite being metallic, it still felt more like a day bag. And this, because of the simple design and thin chain, for me, it actually works as a day or evening bag. So it kind of made more sense to get this one, especially when it's on sale, because I was not prepared to pay the original price for this. So if you like it and you want it for yourself, check out Farfetch app. So yeah, okay, I have my metallic bag. So we're gonna create some outfits, and I'm gonna show you in one of the next Vlogmases how I intend to wear this bag. Have a lovely day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.